In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a banner to your Wix website. Whether you're looking to showcase a striking visual at the top of your page, announce a new feature, or simply add a decorative touch, a banner can dramatically enhance the look and feel of your site. Let's walk through the steps of adding a banner to your Wix website efficiently. To get started, you'll need to open the Wix website editor. Simply log into your Wix account and navigate to the editor where you'll be making all your changes. If you're not familiar with the editor's interface, don't worry, it's user-friendly and intuitive, designed for creators like you to easily craft stunning web pages without a hitch. Once you're in the editor, the next step is to add elements. Look towards the left side of the interface where you'll find an Add button. Click this button, which opens a menu displaying various elements that can be integrated into your site, such as text boxes, images, and buttons. For our purpose, we're focusing on adding an image that will serve as our banner. In the menu, click on the Image option. This is essential because banners typically use images as their base. When you click on the Image option, you'll be prompted to either upload a new image or choose an existing one from your media library. We'll cover both options so you can choose what works best for you. To upload a new image, click on Upload and Import, followed by Upload Images. This will prompt a file chooser window where you can select an image from your computer. Choose a high-quality photo that's appropriate for a banner, perhaps something wide and visually engaging. Once uploaded, it will appear in your media library. Alternatively, if you'd prefer to use something from Wix's rich collection, click on Media from Wix. Here you can find a diverse range of images covering various themes and styles. Choose an image that fits the aesthetic of your website. This is a great resource if you don't have a specific image in mind, giving you plenty of professional quality options. After you've selected your desired image, click Add to Page. The image will be immediately placed on your page. Don't worry about its initial placement. You can adjust this shortly. Now, with your image on the page, you'll need to adjust its size and placement. Click on the image to bring up resizing options. Look for a small circle at the corner of the image. This is your resize handle. Drag it to adjust the size of your banner until it fits perfectly at the top of your page, creating the visual impact you desire. And there you have it. You've successfully added a banner to your Wix website. Play around with different images and sizes until it fits your vision perfectly. Remember, the key to a great banner is not just in the image selection, but in how it fits within the broader layout of your site. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!